Good evening, students. In the next session of the general knowledge, today we are going to discuss our famous movements. So, here the first question is match the descriptions of the mass movement to their names. So, you have to match with column A with column B. The first is launched in 1942 by Mahatma Gandhi. This mass movement demanded a complete withdrawal of the British from India. So here you have to match with the correct option in column B. So the right answer is Quit India movement. Next is a non-violent social and ecological movement by Indian villagers, particularly women, in the 1970s aimed at protecting trees and forests from logging by the government agencies. So here the correct answer is Chipko movement. The Chipko movement is initiated by the Sundarlal Bahugana in the Uttarakhand. Next is in response to the calls of Lal Bal Pal in 1905, this movement demanded boycott of British products and reviving the use of Indian made products. So here the words Lal indicate Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal indicates Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Pal indicates Vipin Chandra Pal. So here the name of the movement is Swadeshi movement. Next is this non-violent movement launched following the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1920 demanded the British government to grant self-government or Swaraj to India. So here the correct option is non-cooperation movement. Coming on the second question, that is major economic movements have taken place in India in an attempt to make it self reliant. Read the clues to name the economic movements. So, here you identify the name with the helping of the clues. The first is the operation aims at the economic upliftment of fishermen and fish farmers and provides food security through proper utilization of water resources. So here the correct answer is blue revolution. Next is this revolution involved the production of high yielding seeds and improved techniques and processes to improve the growth of food crops as so as to provide food for the entire population of the country. So student, I will tell you that the correct answer is the green revolution. The important thing here is that the father of the green revolution is Norman Borlaug in the world, and in India the father of green revolution is MS Swaminathan. The third question is this revolution aimed to increase the growth of canola production in India through the development and wide scale use of new varieties of canola seeds. So, here this revolution is named by the Yellow Revolution. I hope you get all the answers correctly. Come on the next part. This is Ahmedabad. Take out page number 68. So here you know well about the Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is one of the largest cities in Gujarat. It lies on the banks of the Sabarmati River. It means the Ahmedabad is located on the river Sabarmati. Ahmedabad was founded by Sultan Ahmad Shah, the ruler of Gujarat, in 1411. The city is famous for its association with Mahatma Gandhi and it played an active role in India's freedom struggle against the British. So, in the context of the Mahatma Gandhi, this place is very important in India's freedom struggle. Ahmedabad was the capital of Gujarat from 1960 to 1970. Then the capital was shifted to Gandhinagar. After that, you will know about the some interesting facts about the Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad has a hot, semi-arid climate with summer, monsoon, and winter being the three main seasons. So just like Rajasthan, like Jaipur, Alwar, same conditions happen in Ahmedabad. The climate of extremely dry except in the monsoon season. March to June are the hottest month. The city receives maximum rainfall between mid-June and September. November to February are the coldest months. So just like the other regions of India, Rajasthan, same thing happens in Ahmedabad. Why? Because Rajasthan share their boundary with Gujarat also. Then what is the culture and tradition of Mahatma Ahmedabad? People belonging to different religions and cultures coexist in the cities and offer a lot of diversity. Uttarayan, a kite festival. So here, Uttarayan is a festival of kite. It's a popular festival and is celebrated during Makar Sankranti. You all know very well that Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the month of January. Navratri, another festival, the 9-day festival. Right now, Navratri is going on, so you very well know about the Navratri. There is a fasting by the women and worship for the Durga. Is celebrated with a lot of pomp and joy. People perform Garba. Garba is a folk dance of Gujarat, just like a Kalbelia in Rajasthan, Ghumar in Rajasthan, and this dance occurs during the Navratri in Gujarat. Next is Diwali, Rath Yatra, Eid, Muharram, and Christmas are other important festivals that are celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm. The people of Ahmedabad mostly speak Gujarati. So obviously, just like Rajasthan, we speak Rajasthani, and in Ahmedabad, the people speak Gujarati. In the picture, you see on the first picture, there is a dhokla, the traditional dish of the Ahmedabad, and next one is the khakra. Khakra is just like a papad, and dokla, thepla, and khakra are some popular foods of Ahmedabad. Next is places to see in Ahmedabad. So here you see that Hindu, Islamic, Jain architecture, all the religious architectures you found here, and Gandhi Ashram was established by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on the bank of the Sabarmati River. So here Sabarmati River is very important. Why? Because Ahmedabad is also located on that river and the ashram is also situated here. The ashram was his home for a period of time. It was from this ashram that Mahatma Gandhi started his famous Dandi March on 12 March 1930. So, along with the 72 delegates, Mahatma Gandhi started the Dandi March from 12 March 1930 and reached the Sabarmati River and started to making the salt. So here he break the salt laws and imposed by the British India. Today it is a major tourist attraction. Next place is Siddhi Sayyid Mosque. Mosque means masjid. It is a famous mosque in Ahmedabad. The mosque is known for its intricately carved stone, lattice work windows or jalis on the arches. These carved stone windows or jalis have become a symbol of Ahmedabad. Shaking minarets, also known as Jhulta Minara. The Jhulta Minar is also known by the shaking minarets, are two well-known pair of minarets in Ahmedabad. So here the mosque and the minar is important tourist places. The unique feature of this pair of minar is that when one minar is shaken, the other begins to vibrate, but the passage connecting the two minar remain free from vibration. So here vibration is more important. Next is Kankaria Lake, Jama Masjid, Bhadra Fort, Rani Sipri Mosque and Tomb, and Mata Bhavani and Dada Harir step wells. Step wells is also known by the Bavris. Bavris. Bavdi means step walls are some other major tourist attraction in the city. The old city of Ahmedabad, situated on the east bank of the Sabarmati River, had been has been declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So here UNESCO marked the site of Ahmedabad. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Motera Stadium, is the largest cricket stadium in the world. Ahmedabad is a major center of the cotton textile industry and is nicknamed as the Manchester of India. Here you know very well that first cotton mill also set up in the Ahmedabad in the year 1854, that is 19th century. Ahmedabad has a good network of road and railways and is well connected with other major cities within Gujarat and some important Indian cities outside Gujarat such as Delhi and Mumbai. So here I hope you all know about the Ahmedabad, that is place in the Gujarat, what is their culture, okay, and some tourist places located in Ahmedabad. Thank you and have a nice day.